ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kum shibinta ka jingpentri kam ya ka special intensive revision da ka jingbetha jongka Election Commission of India ki borsin shar jongka East Khasi Hills District ha ka arphonai trek ujeliu arja phunriu kila kentu ya ki pajba nong songsunong jongka district ba kenia trelang bat ki boot level officer da ka pendap jana ya ki Kyrteng ha ka enumeration form bat ban Aiti pat ya ki form sha ki BLO khanang ban Pynrung ya ka Kyrteng ha ka draft electoral roll. Ha kejiakaran bat ke lat patai kubor u additional deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District uba Roni Son Walang u laitho baki pajba ki bam IT ye ki enumeration form bala dep pendam syaki boot level officer onomla satiaban Pynrung ya ka Kyrteng ha ka draft electoral roll. Ulai thuru baki pajba kilaban pendap online ya ki enumeration form da ka bapej ha ka website jongka Election Commission of India.
Baka Election Commission jong dari India kalabo bahkan Sdang ya SIR apo ni ka jila jongi ya ka ba ka training na ka benta ki electoral registration officers ki ROs ki BLO supervisors ki BLO ni la da penlong la bonsen nang ba ki bashim benta ha ni ka SIR kamtam ki RO ki BLO ki nong ki bala tep benia hak be de bat ka ni ka SIR di kumba pitip ba nado la shai ka sngi ki BLO kin rong haman ki longye hapo ka East Khasi Hills District pada ka jala hiro barok away ha ka be but ka enumeration form but ya ka ba nakaliang jong district administration ni kerpa jur ni kerpa red ye we nong thap vote man la ki thliu yen ki badon hapo ka East Khasi Hills District bakin shimkhia ban pendap ya kini enumeration form pada ka ju kapor bakin submit ya kini enumeration form sya ki BLO kin one license laiwan sya ki yeng ki sem jong ki nong thap vote but ki di benshim ya kini kalan number license laiwat kin one hakaba dada ki don kinu ki jingbam smooth ho ani ki jingbam nang ban pendap ni kini ki form ki BLO jungi ki la yo ya training ka bajanai hakaba ki la ban yarap ya kini ki ba ki jungi let's say ki bam nang sya ki thai nong ban pendap ya kini ki form kumno ban pendap ya kini ki form hakapor ba ki ya ye na kerpat sa si sien pat ba ya kini ki enumeration form ba pinum sngop ha ban shimkhia ban submit igini ki enumeration form na balada phim submit ki enumeration form ya ga Kyrteng ka jongpi hapo ka draft electoral roll ka bangin sa penmi hobnai August kanumdon te kumbala kha de EDC mentan kalomba ni kerpan sa si sien ya baro kinong snong ke bla don ya ka Kyrteng ko electoral roll jong arja arpusan bakin pendap igini ki self enumeration forms but lada ki don kanu ka jing kimde man artetin ki BLO supervisor jong ki but one ki ERO jong ki ro bade ki electoral registration officers dada ki don kanu jing ha ka be de but ka jing pendap ya ka enumeration form hadin jong ka jing pendap ya ka enumeration form kan sedon ka rationalization jong ki polling station la dadang don kamban pendai kan sedon ha ka ap khundai tarik u benai Julai arjar arpundrio nanta ka draft electoral roll kumangala ong bentan ha ka san tarik. But hadin kani pat kan sedon ka period ha ka ba kin sa file ka claims and objections tila dala dadon manu ha ka por ba ya ing ki BLO ki miss out kani ka Kyrteng jong ki kamdon kimdei bakin khuslai kadon ka por ha ka ba ka election commission gala ai ki ya ka lat na do ka santarik jong benai August ha do ka south tarik jong benai September ha ka bakin wan ni ban ai rengkat nang ki kwat kisna ki bale se maki ki kwat ban ai rengkat bat ka enumeration form ka jong ki nang ba kinumdo ya ka Kyrteng ka jongki manrong hapo ka electoral roll nga syukuan pentip hangiro ba ngilada penlong artli ki jingalang bagi sengsan partai hapo ka district ka jongi bat hakani ki jingalang ka bangila long bila batai shai ki ka process ka be de bat ka SIR bat ka jimpersyang juga district administration ban pej ba nuno lani kanu ka badi hok ba ka Kyrteng jungki ka badi bandon po electoral roll kanne ba uno lani kanu bam de hok bandon ya ka Kyrteng jungki po electoral roll in wengno yaki ka baar ngila da penlong ru ya ka jingalang bat ki dorbar snong ka level jong ki electoral registration officer bakitem ka East Khasi Hills ka don khatnyo tali ki assembly constituency but haman iwe assembly constituency don iwe electoral registration officer hakba electoral registration officer dan electoral registration officer kila ada penlong ya kecinalang bat ki dorbar shnong knang ban yo ai kecing trilang ka bajanai bat ki dorbar shnong ban pe ba hak por ba ya kali ka SIR kinu gino ba de hok kinum do ban ban ni Kyrteng hapo ka electoral roll kidon ki ba khuslai let's say ki banundan hagani ka por ba ki ya in ki BLO kim dok kam kin khuslai number ya ni ka enumeration kila na pendap ro online bakani phila man le ba ka ECI net ni kerpan ki pat nu chong snong dada phidon ki bahiyang ki bahasam ki parok parjor ki ba phi tho I thau ki ba le se ki numdan ha kani ka por ba ki ya in ki BLO sngop ha ba phin pentek ye ki lamba chong kani kala thai ki por banta sini ba ki la ban pandap ro ya ki enumeration forms online lingba chong ka ECI net app balada ki don kano ka jing artatien ki la ban phone chekini di helpline number ya ki ban la dap ai shafi bentan ba hakapor balong tray ki la ban phone yang ini di number ha ban la book ya ki officers ba ki staff ki jungi ha ba ki la ban ai juba ha be de bat kanika SIR process but ka khadu kalong ba ya ka electoral roll ka ba khadu an penmi ha ka new tarik Oktober arjar arko real but kani kalong hadin man la da pilot ya baro ki nong song snong ki bala da pendap ki enumeration form ba ki bangla da pendap ka hearing ba ka Kyrteng jongki dan po ka electoral roll ngan ban biang ka jing penlong ya ka SIR kamdei bangin wengi ki Kyrteng kamdei bangin kentup lang ya baro ki ba dei hok but ki bam dei hok pa let's say ki bala flat no ki bam sa shu sa kani bajaka leni ki badon arti ki Kyrteng haki wegi ki constituency but let's say for East Khasi Hills district ro kani ka SIR kan pek ba anla man weng no ki Kyrteng jongki
kumnu phinle pading su thu ba teng din don ki certificate top and textron top ba long ni an ni so clear de kono kom phin pe handle kita
tina tu gadau ngila penlong ya ka jingalang bat ki seng perthai ngila penlong ya ka jingalang ro bat ki dor bar shnong kinu ki certificate ke ba mengi yo na ba kai ECI kala ada bo khatwe tli ki kwat ki ba lani ki dulir ki ba ki pat ba ki la ban ai hakapor badon ka claims and objections ni na lor kata ni ban biang ni pan ro ya ka certificate na ki bor shnong knang ban la ban pensisha ba ki ni gi nong chong shnong bat ki bala itho ithau ki dagal yang jong ka shnong te hakabedi bat ki certificates let's say ki ba ai na kinu ki shnong hakabadon kanu ka jing artatien hakabedi bat ka jing thok na ni ka jing shisha jong ki ni ki kwat isla hakapor bangi penlong ya ka hearing kumba julong hakapor election kindon ki booth level agents dan ni kita ki ba mi khma ki seng perthai khnang ba hakapor bangi shen ya ka hearing kanong haba shit haba shai haba ui klam da don kanu ka jing artatien haka hearing ban pek ba u la ne ka kinung do ka Kyrteng jongki ka electoral roll dan ni la dakin de hok ro ba di ban weng ka Kyrteng jongki la ka electoral roll kumbala abatai shai the deputy commissioner jong East Khasi Hills district ani ka SIR hi ka exercise hi barok ko we ka long ban pek baki ba de hok kin ban ka Kyrteng ka po electoral roll ke lamba jong ka ni ka SIR hi lada shimkhia na galyang hi jong ki nong chong snong haban panda ki enumeration forms but kumjoro ban shimkhia ban pe bagi Kyrteng ki don ko electoral roll but daga jing ban rap lang jong ki seng sign per thai ki ba ka sha ka election commission ka ba kan don ban ka ha kan ka SIR ka jing don ban ta ka jong ki nado pasdang nado ka enumeration ka ba ki ya yeng ki BLO hado akapor hearing ro kumjo kani hi kal adai ka system ka bangila ban ong hak ban pek ba kinong song snong ki hok man yo kin yo but kitu pat bam de hok man yo in bang de Kyrteng jongki na po electoral
you regarding the house to house visits that is going to start from tomorrow across all the constituencies of East Khasi Hills as a part of the special intensive revision exercise of Honorable Election Commission of India. The house to house visit will continue for 1 month from 30th of June till 29th of July, during which our BLOs will go to every house and will distribute the self-enumeration form to every registered elector of 2005 electoral roll. And the message and the request to all the electors through this press conference is to take this exercise very seriously and simultaneously to not be afraid of this exercise at all. As has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, the idea is to include and not to exclude, and this is a process of enumeration of the existing voters only. The self-enumeration form has to be duly filled and submitted to the BLOs, and thereafter there will be 1 month for filing of any claims and objections. Thereafter, additional 1 month will be taken by all the EROs to decide on those claims and objections, and finally we'll have our final electoral roll published on 7th of October 2026. The idea of SIR, as has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, is to have a clean, error-free and accurate electoral roll. So basically the baseline electoral roll that has been taken across the India is 2005 electoral roll, because that was the last time when comprehensive revision of the electoral roll was undertaken by ECI. So as at the enumeration stage, no documents are required. The electors are only supposed to deposit their properly filled self-enumeration form. That is all that is required at the stage of the enumeration. We expect that an overwhelming majority of electors will be handled through their enumeration forms only. In cases of a small fraction of voters where additional clarification will be required by the BLOs, the electors will be informed. They will be given time to submit additional documents, which is there is a list of indicative documents by the ECI, a list of 11 documents, but that is not exhaustive. We have directed our BLOs that they should collect every document that is being submitted by the electors, and simultaneously whatever the document, whether it is a church certificate, whether it is a headman certificate, every document will be collected, and the decision to basically decision on the fate of the elector will be taken by the ERO, not only on the basis of the 11 indicative documents, but through an overall through an overall understanding of on the basis of all the documents which have been submitted. So for them it is not a problem at all. The Election Commission of India has also allowed for online filling of the self-enumeration form through the ECI net website. Simultaneously, they can always approach our BLOs for any additional help as well. Through phone number, they can always reach our helplines as well. Apart from the 1950 helpline of Honorable Election Commission of India, from District Administration also we have issued 2 helpline numbers, which is 0364 250 1250 and 2501 228. So that is also one part, that is also one objective of the SIR, that we want to make sure that everyone who is an eligible voter, 18 plus, they should be included. So that's okay, they can always submit their Form 6 as well, and during the house-to-house verification also, it will be found out by the BLOs that these have become elector voters. They are not really present in the 2005 electoral roll, as they have just become eligible, and they will also be included. As I said, the objective is to include and not to exclude. So we have 1027 polling stations, right? 1021, and we have 1021 BLOs. It's not a first phase, second phase. There are different categories of voters, that's true, but then the first phase is for basically the 2025 elected voters. The voters who are present in the 2025 electoral roll. The BLOs are going to take these pre-filled self-enumeration forms and give it to every voter who was present during the whose name is present in the 2025 electoral roll.
This is last year.
Last year. This is the enumeration form that is being given to them, in which additional details will have to be filled by the concerned voter and then submitted back to the BLOs. Also, a pre-mapping has also been done, so basically the BLOs will have this enumeration form in place, which has been submitted by the voters of 2025 electoral roll. A pre-mapping has also been done. Collectively, we hope that an overwhelming majority of voters will not really have to be put through the hearings and objections. Be deleted are deceased, shifted or duplicate, and those basically who are not really bona fide citizens of India. The process itself is quite exhaustive, irrespective of the surname, irrespective of the location, they have to establish that either they or their family members were present in the 2005 electoral roll. So the process is exhaustive and comprehensive. The same process will take care of any illegal immigrant in Shillong or in Mokindru or in Shela Bolaganj or in Pinorsala border area. When madam will be filling her this enumeration form, she can always show that either she had her name in the 2005 electoral roll. No, but her parents were there in 2005 electoral roll.
No, parents was
Assam.
Father was expert
In 2005. So basically, see, the idea is that if they were present in Meghalaya 2025 electoral roll, all they have to establish is either they or their family members were present in 2005 electoral roll of any other state.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.